So maybe you've been hearing a lot about this lately. Are online courses dead? And honestly, with all the criticism that's flying around, I think it's easy to think that, right? But let's break this down and really get into the actual truth about online courses that no one is telling you. Are online courses really dead or not? So, you've probably seen these complaints online. I've scoured some comments and posts, and here are just some of the things that people are saying. The only people pushing the fantasy of selling online courses are gurus selling a system on making money selling courses. Everything you need to know can be easily found for free. It's a scam, and it's really sad. All they care about is selling dreams and fooling people. Very sad, but it's getting more and more common. They're Ponzi schemes. It is just another scam, just a more socially acceptable one. And those who are the best at promoting themselves, at being experts, are often the ones least worth listening to. And I totally understand, and even to a certain degree, agree to some of these complaints that people are saying about online courses. Because honestly, there are people out there, so-called influencers or thought leaders, who overpromise and underdeliver. But here's the thing, just because there are scammers or people using online courses to take advantage of other people does not mean that online courses as a whole are dead. I actually think that this means that there's demand, which is a good thing. But unfortunately, that attracts both the good and the bad. So again, let's address the real question. What is the actual truth? Are online courses dead? Nope, not at all. Here's why. People are always searching for ways to educate themselves, to learn something new, to learn new skills, to improve their careers and their businesses, and to transform their lives. And online courses, they're just another educational platform or way for people to actually learn. And online courses offer flexibility and accessibility like no other, because you can literally purchase an online course, be in any side of the world, and learn something new and actually be with people, get coached, or get a community or accountability. So sure, the market is so competitive right now, depending on your niche, of course. But that's a sign of demand, not a dying industry. Again, people still want to learn. They want to grow in their careers. They want to grow their relationships. They want to grow their businesses. They want to grow their family lives and personal lives. They want to grow their faith. And courses give them that opportunity to learn the things that they need to learn to do all of those things. And I know you can actually get all the information that you need online, right? Like, I know you would agree with me that you can literally Google or search up on YouTube any kind of topic and you will find it there. But with online courses, it's like you have this organized system, a step-by-step process that you can just take to get to the desired results or outcomes that you want to get to. Because the thing is, the actual courses, the legit ones, actually give you strategic, educational, or learning experience that actually walks you through what you need to walk through, what action you need to take in order for you to get the transformation that you desire. And that is not something that you can just get in Google or YouTube. You can't exactly get, yes, you can get the step-by-step process, but what about those process? How can you actually implement each step of that process? And you don't just get coaching or community or support or an opportunity to ask questions to experts or mentors that you have online, right? You have to actually seek for it, and online courses provide those. Now, going back, yes, I know that we see a lot of so-called influencers or popular people who are using their fame to produce these low-quality online courses, and they are selling dreams and fooling people. And that can make it feel like the whole system is actually broken. But really, that's exactly why those bad, wicked actors or people are out there. Because people are willing to invest in learning. People are willing to purchase online courses. There is demand. So, as kingdom-driven entrepreneurs, here is where it gets a bit challenging. We have to face this challenging question. Are we really going to let those folks take over the territory of online courses and online education as a whole, while we stay silent and succumb to that kind of reality? I guess not, right? Let's actually take a look at what Jesus says about stepping into our purpose and our God-given assignments and destiny. Because of course, we want to learn from Jesus and we want to become more like him every day, right? And so in Matthew chapter 5, verse 14 to 16, we are reminded, Jesus says, "You are the light of the world. A city set on a hill cannot be hidden." And then it goes on to say, "Let your light shine before others." And in John 10:10, he says, "The thief comes only to steal, kill, and destroy, but I have come that you may have life and have it to the full." So we are called to be light, to choose life. And that means stepping up, even in competitive or broken markets, just like the online course industry and many other markets out there, right? Who knows? Maybe you're not here for online courses, but you're listening because you're interested. So, because we know our purpose and the impact that God wants us to make, we go beyond the finances. We go beyond the challenges and the struggles. And we step up to that challenge. So now, if you want to build a successful online course business, especially if people out there are saying that online courses are dead, here are some of the crucial truths that you need to know that maybe no one is telling you about. Truth number 1, online courses are for serving, not just for selling. This is big. If you think online courses are a get-rich-quick scheme where you just only need to create it, then launch it, then forget it, and it will keep bringing you money, then I think you will be absolutely disappointed. While online courses can be a great option for self-paced learning, a lot of times, people don't even finish taking these courses. Some people even purchase the online courses and don't even log in to the actual platform or portal where the online course can be accessed. And so because of this, some online courses suffer low completion and success rate, which is very, very sad if you are an actual legitimate online course creator who cares about the transformation that your course students and clients will get. So I believe the solution to this is to add more of a community, coaching, or accountability aspect on your course. This means going above and beyond the DIY format or do-it-yourself format for online courses. So you have to be ready to serve by adding more community, more coaching, more support, or more accountability aspects into your course. And that obviously means that you have to be actively involved in that course and don't just have to put it aside as this income stream, right? And obviously, the caveat is that the value of your online course will increase. So if you are planning to just sell those kinds of mini courses where it's really just DIY and you just want it to be like a part of your funnel so that people who invest in that may be interested on investing in your more exclusive signature online course, then obviously you don't have to add any kind of community or coaching or accountability aspect into them. But if it's your signature exclusive online course or program, then you have to be ready to serve. Truth number 2. There's more to marketing your course than just 6 figures in 1 month. Let's be real. Aren't we all tired of those horrific ads that keep promising that you'll make 6 figures in a month? Sure, some people achieve it and they get there, right? But they didn't get there overnight. It took months, maybe even years of learning and growth and struggling and overcoming challenges. I understand that it's one way to get people's attention and to get them to buy your course, but I believe it is unethical to use false advertising just to get some sales in your course. Does this mean you can never use this as part of your messaging or your marketing? I think not, because if you or your client actually genuinely was able to do it, then you can definitely share those success stories on your marketing. But please, 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 just like Sabrina Carpenter's song, please, 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 position it in a way that's more realistic. Yes, you or your client may have gotten there in 1 month or in a couple of months, but there was a process that you went through. And I would love for you to share that process as you are marketing your course, because we don't want to sell a fantasy or a false hope that after taking this course, right after, just in one click or one blink of an eye, you already will be a 6-figure entrepreneur or a 6-figure creative or a graphic designer or so and so. So be transparent about the process. People want to hear the real journey that you have walked through and not just the end result. Truth number 3, don't let the scammers or the bad people discourage you. Here's the thing, just because there are bad people who are leveraging online courses so they can scam other people and take advantage of other people's vulnerabilities does not mean that you shouldn't step into this place, especially if you know God is calling you to create an online course to make an impact in other people's lives, or that you really know that your course and your expertise is actually needed and is actually valuable. So there's this thing called the Dunning-Kruger effect. And in simple terms, what it essentially means or theorizes is that the people who are actually legit experts, even if they know a lot about that topic, they also realize that there is more to learn, that there is more for them to know. There are so many things they know nothing about just yet in that topic. Well, some people who barely know anything about that kind of topic have no problem and are so overconfident because they think they know everything. And so the truth is, those people who have genuine expertise and intentions often struggle with imposter syndrome. And it may be someone like you who want to create an online course, but you think, oh my gosh, there are so many things I know nothing about just yet, or I haven't really figured out. But meanwhile, there are people who barely know anything, but have no problem selling. So don't let that stop you. The world needs what you have to offer, what you have to teach. And if God is calling you to create an online course or do whatever in this life, I hope that your response is to say yes. So look, online courses are not dead. They're far from dead. But to stand out, especially as a kingdom-driven entrepreneur who genuinely wants to multiply your income and impact so you can be a bigger blessing to the world, you need to focus on serving, on being transparent, and on stepping into your calling with courage. The world needs your expertise, your light, and so don't hide it under a basket. Friends, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. And share it with someone who needs to hear this today, a friend of yours, a business owner, an expert author or entrepreneur who wants to create an online course. And if you're ready to create an online course that genuinely serves and transforms lives, but you are busy and you don't exactly know where to start, or you need help with your tech setup, then check out our course creation done for you services at myracake.com/services. The link is also posted in the description box below. As always, thanks for watching. Keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.